to be showing you how to become an Amazon affiliate. First thing you're going to do, you're going to go to Google and you're going to type in Amazon Associate Program. You're going to click on Amazon.com Associates Central. You're going to click on Sign Up. I already have an account, but for the sake of this video, I'm going to add a new account. Click on Create Amazon Account. You're going to put in your first name, last name, your email, and your password. You're going to re-enter your password, and you're going to click on Create your Amazon account. Okay, so it's going to send you a security code. You're going to enter the code that they sent to your email or phone. Okay, so now you're here, says creating your Amazon Associates account. Then you're going to want your confirmation, website, and mobile app list profile. And then you can start using Associates Central once you put in all of that information. So who are you going to put the payments to? You want to enter exactly the name exactly as it would appear on the check. If the check is to be mailed to an individual other than the payee, enter the name of the recipient. So you're going to put in your name, your address, state, city, zip code, phone number, and then you're going to put, is this account for the payee listed above, or is it for someone else? So you're going to put your name, which is you're the payee. It's going to be paid to you. Click on next. Once you're here, you're going to enter your website and your mobile app. So you're going to put in whatever website you have. Let's say you have YouTube, TikTok, or any other social media that you have. You're going to put it here and here. They just want to know where you're going to get your source of traffic from. So it really doesn't matter which link you put as long as you have a link. Okay, so I'm going to use this website here for my YouTube channel. And they're going to want another one. So since I'm having a hard time getting an app because I didn't want to use the other one that I use for my real account because it's just like a sample. I'm just going to use a website list. I don't have a mobile app where you can put one. And then it's going to ask, are there any traffic sources listed above directly, primarily as result? These traffic sources are not eligible to display banners, widgets, special links, or other ads from Amazon Associates. You are required to declare this information. So either yes or no. So no, I'm not directing any children under 13. And I'm going to hit confirm. So now they want to know the store ID. So you can make up any ID you want. So I'm going to put honey, it's like that you can track your affiliate link. And then they're going to ask you what kind of content you create. Then it's going to ask you which of the following best describes your content. So you can select blog, content on each website. You can select coupons or deals, comparison shopping engines. So I can do content niche. You can do blog. Sorry about that. Okay, so then you're gonna enter. I'm gonna use my content is more content of niches and niche content or niche website. That's what best describes my content. And then it's gonna say, how did you hear about us? I could put word of mouth from the associate.com website, whatever it is. Then you want to put in this little encryption here so they know that you are human and you're not a robot. So this CAPTCHA here, you're going to type in the CAPTCHA, then you're going to agree to the terms and conditions. Make sure that you read how the Associates Program Operating Agreement, how everything is. Then you're going to click on Finish. And that's it. Congratulations. This is going to be my Associates ID. So occasionally, you need to provide your associate ID to verify your account to them, which is Amazon. The application is being reviewed shortly after they what I refer as qualified sales. So if so, pretty much this is a temporary qualification. It is not. set in stone yet. So you're gonna need to have at least 3 qualified sales. So in the meantime, they're gonna grant full access to Associate Essentials for 24 hours a day. If the affiliate links have not links referred or not qualified sales after 180 days, your application and access to Associate Central will be withdrawn. So you gotta make sure that you're making sales to the links that you've given them, that we've given Amazon. Don't get left out of the conversation. You can follow them on Facebook, YouTube, LinkedIn, and Twitter. They share tips, tutorials, and trending promotions to help you succeed in the program. As a reminder, you must be transparent. So you have to disclose your relationship to Amazon Associates using Amazon when you're using the links. For more information on how to do that, make sure that you click here and read it through everything. Now you can enter your payment and tax information. You can do it now, you can do it later. I'm going to do it later. And then I just want to show you how you can get your affiliate links and start posting so you can start getting paid. I can show you how easy it is to start promoting products. So once you're here, let's say that you want to promote a laptop. So you type in the laptop, you search the laptop that you want to promote. See, they have Apple laptops. So they do have Apple laptops. So let's say you want to promote this one. This one has 5 stars. It is 1,189. So you want to go here to the top and you want to get the link. But you want to click on the actual product. So you're going to click on the Mac Air, the Apple MacBook Air 15 inches from 2024. It is on sale. And if you want to get this particular link, you're going to go up here to get link. And then you're going to click on short link or you want the full link. You can always change this by going to a link shortener, or you can just copy this. I'm going to paste this link. Okay, so now I paste this link. Let's say I paste it on my YouTube channel. We want to check it out to see, make sure that it works. And now, boom, if somebody buys this, purchases from this link, even if they don't buy this, I'm going to get a commission just for them clicking through my link and making a purchase. So just make sure whenever you're using any links from Amazon that you are disclosing that you are an Amazon affiliate or that it is a Amazon link, and you will be getting a small commission. So that you can check out the policies for Amazon affiliate marketing. And I hope that you become an associate, make some money. And if you have any questions, leave them in the comment. And if you like this video, make sure to thumbs it up. And if you haven't subscribed yet, make sure to subscribe so you can see more videos like this where I show you where you can make money and other content as well. I want to thank you for watching and I hope to see you soon. Take care. Bye.